Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to make roles on Discord. The first thing to do is to go to your Discord application, make sure that you're logged in here, and then as you can see at the top left corner, there is a server there, so all you have to do is to tap this one, scroll down and look for server settings, click this, and then under overview, you can see roles here, tap this one, and then after that, you can see here, create roles, tap this one, and then you can rename or type any name here. For example, bot 101. Okay, so after that, or everything is up to you, you can have your own name. Make sure that you tap this save changes. And then after that, you can drag this bot 101 to the very first or second, third, fourth, everything is up to you. But that's how you create roles on Discord, as simple as that. Now, always make sure that you save changes before going back to your home page or profile. So that's how easy it is. Now you can make as many roles as you can on Discord. This is just a plainly basic tutorial on how to make a role bot on Discord. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.